Welcome back, dear student. And now, for us to be able, in a way, to uh, capture the data from Arduino and actually take it to other softwares for processing, we have to install a certain software called CoolTerm. So, what I want to do here is to go to our screen and install CoolTerm. So, as you can see on the screen, I add this space here and I say I just type CoolTerm. Enter, and you see CoolTerm download. I press CoolTerm download. CoolTerm software is coming here. On the right hand side is free to download. So I go to download. I choose 64-bit because my machine is 64-bit. It's a zip file. So it's downloading. It will begin in a few seconds. And as you can see, we have it downloaded here. I click here. We go to where it is. We've opened the folder location. And we say extract this. So extract all. We just use the same location. No need to bother. So now it's installed. It's extracting. First of all, it's just extracting. So basically, when extraction is done like this and it opens this new window where we see CoolTerm bit 64, we can just double click this and you'll see this CoolTerm icon here, which shows serial monitor, or sorry, serial port. So what we do, we double click this, and yeah, some security things, but I know I trust this, so run anyway. And as you can see here, we have CoolTerm software already. So if we want to save data and capture data, this is what we do. And here we see it's written connected on the bottom, but it has already detected Arduino Uno at pin 4, which is what we have. So here, as you can see, it's disconnected. But also it's showing that the serial port of an Arduino here is the baud rate here is 9600. So it depends if that is really what we have there. If not, it will not work. Of course, we know our code is 19,200. So what do we do here? We go to connection. We connect. You see, I have connected. It kind of starts working, but it's reading something strange. Why is it reading something strange? It is the same thing. In the code, if you recall, in Arduino code here, we have a baud rate which is 19,200. But what is happening is that in the CoolTerm software, you see the baud rate is 9,600. So we have to change this. You come to options here. You see the baud rate. We change this baud rate to the same baud rate like the one we have in the code, 19,200. You say OK. Click OK. And now you can see the values. So just clear the data so that we read anew. So you can see on the screen now that actually the data it's reading is the same as the data that we were reading through an Arduino monitor. So this, now we have accomplished connecting CoolTerm software and using it to capture that data. Now, the next stage that we're going to do is basically how can we save this data? So to do that, we go like this. So options, nope. So we say file, okay, no. So edit, nope. Connection, yeah, we go to connection again and we say capture to text file and we go to start. It will open a window where we have actually to save where we have this. So like I can say this is CoolTerm test. I can just call it CoolTerm test and then I press save. So now it is actually capturing the data and saving the data in the location where we have it. Now it's capturing and saving the data in the location where we have it. And now we can go and see, do we have anything? So I could go to that folder. I know it was in spectrometer and it's here. So it was CoolTerm test. It's here. This is CoolTerm test. So this is what file, what is our file? You can see now it is actually capturing data. So we have data here that we have captured through CoolTerm software, and now we can be able to actually copy this data. As you can see here, I can copy it and take it to other softwares and work with this data. So I can copy this now and take it to other softwares and actually be able to work with the data. Thank you for listening.